Hello guys, I will show you how can you fix 0xc00007b error. First of all, I will give link in the descriptions. Downloading. Then search DirectX. Click Download button. It is very basic installation. Just follow my steps. Done. Now open file that I give you with 7-zip or WinRAR. Click Disk C and find Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder, there are two folders that concern us. If your computer 32-bit system 32 0xc000 folders, you should copy into it. I am 64-bit, by the way. And fixed your problem if it is not, write on comment section.